start. Look at the start, everybody. Those are the fastest boats right over there. All those boats starting in such close proximity together.
Oh, that's great.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, it really is.
That's sailboat racing. To me, that's cooler than the America's Cup. I hate to say it. So now the guys who are now in sequence for the next race are starting to go back and forth on the start line. And it's jockeying for position to see if you can be in the right spot at the right time when that gun goes off.
I never raced because I didn't realize that things were close to proximity.
It's
Like,
scary.
yeah.
Scary. What people do is they buy old boats for next to nothing.
Yeah.
And they strip out the whole interior so they're light. And then they spend a lot of money on the rigging and sails.
Okay.
So that they have the best racing equipment. But
Yeah.
they don't have the cushions and the curtains and the carpet and
Just there.
the wine and the TV and all that. Yeah.
Yeah.
My water tanks are full, my fuel tanks are full, theirs are dead empty. You put 1 gallon of fuel in or just
I did boot here recently. I did one come out on the water.
Now this is pretty,
Yeah. Can't beat it.
pretty good weather. For February. A lot of times there's just no wind at all. But we also don't have the fog. Another time you get 2 days of sun, then you get the fog rolling in. Okay, pretty boats reading 21. Is that 27? Okay, so what's course number 27 out of curiosity?